大家好. Hello everyone. Welcome back to episode 10 of this lesson. In today's video, you are going to learn how to pronounce another 5 finals of Chinese language, which are ya, yao, wa, wai, wo. Before we proceed, I would like to introduce to everyone about our spelling rules in Chinese language. Note down, when E forms a syllable by itself, it is simply written by adding E at the back of E to get the clearer of pronunciation. So the compound finals, ya, started with a syllable E. So when pronouncing it, we need to add E before E to get the clearer pronunciation, giving us ya. That is, you will first of all read E out from your mouth and then A follows immediately, very quickly. Yeah, yeah. We also learned that when U forms a syllable by himself, they are written by replacing the U with U to get a clearer pronunciation. And also learned that when he forms a syllable by itself, they are written by adding he to he. Removing the two dots on top of the two dots will change. But remember, these are just written this way, but the pronunciations doesn't change. There is another important thing I need to introduce to everyone concerning tone marking in Chinese, the way we mark tones in Chinese language. When marking tones in Chinese, we never mark tones on the initials. We only mark tones on the finals, never on the initials. That means if there's only one simple final on a syllable, only mark your tone on the finals. Forget about the initials. But what if in a situation whereby there are compound finals in a syllable? How are we going to do that? We only need to follow it alphabetically. So that means, for example, if in a syllable we have a compound finals on a syllable, what we should do is to follow it alphabetically. Meaning what? For example, if we have wa on a syllable, for example, hua, we should not mark our tone on wu. Our tone should be on top of a because we need to follow them alphabetically. But there is only one exception. Apart from you, when marking tones, anytime we get to a syllable that has you to them, what we should do is to mark our tones on top of e. That is the only one exception. Other ones must be followed alphabetically. Now, let's say the 5 compound finals. Yeah, repeat after me. Yeah, the E sound must be read before the R follows very quickly. Yeah, yeah. The Chinese word for tooth is ya, ya. The second one we have is yao. Repeat after me. Yao. The E sound must be read before the R sound follows very quickly. Yao, yao. The Chinese word for want is yao. Repeat after me. Yao. Now, always observe where we mark our tones on these syllables. You can still find out that we mark the tone on top of the R on the yao because we have E and R sound there. And the R there is the word, is the compound finals. And we followed it here alphabetically by marking the tones on top of the R, giving us yao, yao. On the third one we have is wa. Remember to replace the wu sound with wu, wa. The wu sound must be read before the R sound follows very quickly. Wa. Repeat after me. Wa. The Chinese word for ball is wan. Wan. Make sure you notice the tone mark where we mark the tones. The fourth one we have is why, why. The oo sound must be read before the I sound follows immediately, very quickly. Why, why. The Chinese word for outside is wai mian. Repeat after me. Wai mian. The last one, wo, wo. This is also one of the very simplest one. All you need to read the oo sound first and then all sound very quickly. Wo. Repeat after me. Wo. The Chinese word for we is woman. Repeat after me. Woman. Now, let's do a quick review of these five compound finals. We have ya, yao, wa, why, wo. Today, we've been able to learn these compound finals. Everything about compound finals have been completed. In our next video course, we are going to discuss the 8 nasal finals of Chinese language. Please, if you are new in this channel, kindly hit on the red subscription button. Click on your notification bell so that you can get updates of our new videos. See you next time in our next video course. Titan, goodbye.